Today we're going to be taking a look at a VEVOR charcoal grill with rotisserie and a windshield. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, give you some tips and tricks that I learned along the assembly route, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This does require some assembly. It took me about an hour solo to put this together. In the box, you will find everything you need to put this together, including the Allen key and the wrench, as well as the instructions. I just had to take this apart and flip this over because I accidentally put this on the inside. On both of these legs, this has to be on the outside. The rotisserie part of this can be moved down if you would like it closer to the coals, but it does require that you remove the screws in order to move it down. But there are additional holes if you need it closer to the coals. If you're planning on only using the grill like me, you can put the coals in one spot versus putting them across the entire grill base. 2 of the casters on this grill are locking and 2 of them are not locking. It did come with salt and pepper shakers as well as a hand crank. If you did not want to use the automatic crank, you can use the hand crank. This part is also adjustable so that you can add larger pieces of meat onto the top or smaller pieces of meat onto the top. Again, here's that manual crank. If you would like to use this and just manually rotate it, you would just take the automatic box off and replace it with that manual crank. The salt and pepper shakers are both pretty similar. I think they have the same amount of holes. And they are stainless steel, which is really nice. The whole assembly is stainless steel. It also comes with a set of tongs and a grill brush. Personally, I would not use this type of grill brush that it comes with because it has those metal bristles, so I did take it off. And the tongs are a little flimsy, so if you have your own, I would recommend using those. These would do in a pinch, but they're just a little thin for my taste. There is a clean out right at the bottom here that just pulls out. It's a drawer. You can see there's a little bit of charcoal in there. These grill grates are definitely not non-stick, so I would recommend either spraying them with a little non-stick cooking spray or putting a little bit of olive oil or something, or another high smoke point oil before you put your food on and start cooking. I made barbecue chicken, and you can see that it's now dark. The problem with barbecue chicken is it really made a mess. Next weekend, I plan on using the rotisserie to make some roasted chicken. I am very, very excited about that.